entire vehicle is occupied.
The biggest Cobra is guarding the front. Don't make sudden movements. Call the rescue helicopter.
Safety perimeter is set. Keep watching the Cobras.
Helicopter confirmed our coordinates. Nobody approaches the vehicle until they arrive. Stay alert. Vehicle yet. Keep watching the Cobras. We're almost ready for the rescue operation.
Visual contact confirmed.
Helicopter is on station. Maintain the perimeter.
Wait for the pilot's signal. Nobody moves until the snakes are cleared.
Altitude is stable.
Water system ready.
Everyone stay behind the markers. The Cobras are reacting. Pilot, you are clear to begin on your signal.
Tail section almost clear. Check underneath. Thermal scanner ready. Only 2 Cobras left. We'll move in after the final confirmation.
1 Cobra is still moving. Thermal scan is almost clear.
Hold your positions. Pilot, continue watching from above. We'll move in after the final all clear. Area is clear. Excellent work, everyone. Let's document every damaged section. The frame looks restorable. We'll prepare it for transport to the island workshop. The rescue is complete. Frame damage is serious but repairable. Secure the tail before loading. Let's prepare the winches and ramps. Recovery points confirmed.
Tail lock is secure.
Increase winch tension slowly. Keep the chassis straight. We're ready to move toward the transport barge. All chains locked. Wheel chocks confirmed.
Tail restraints are secure. Captain, we're ready to depart. Let's head to the island workshop.
Slow it down. Front wheels on deck. Check the left ramp. Tail restraint looks secure. Keep pulling, nice and steady. Sea conditions are perfect.
All restraints remain tight.
The tail hasn't shifted. Island workshop is straight ahead.
We'll be unloading soon.
The workshop looks incredible. I can't wait to start on the Scorpion. First, let's secure the barge, girls.
Wheel chocks removed. Release the front chains. Tail brace comes off last. Winch is ready. Let's unload her slowly into the island workshop. Arrival inspection complete. Everyone has their assignments.
Pressure washing starts next. Let's bring this machine back to life. Protect the electrical system. Easy, keep it centered. Front wheels are clear.
Tail is perfectly stable.
Lower another meter. Excellent, bring it onto the dock.
Roof is coming clean. Increase pressure on the front grille. Tail section is clearing nicely. Watch the drainage. Great work, keep moving downward.
Complete foam coverage achieved. Don't miss the tail joints. Cover the wheel arches. Let the foam work for a minute. Excellent, every panel is coated. Use the soft brushes here.
The grille is clearing nicely. Tail joints need extra attention.
Great teamwork, keep every section evenly scrubbed. Foam is completely gone.
The real damage is visible now.
Rust is heavier than expected. Excellent rinse, move to the engine bay next. Let's begin the detailed disassembly.
Hood is opening. Disconnect the battery first. Label every connector. Photograph the engine before removal. Let's keep every part organized. Coolant hoses are free. Label that connector. Keep the bolts together. Air intake is coming out. Excellent. Continue one component at a time. Lifting points are secure. Engine mounts are loose. Double check the transmission bolts. Balance looks perfect. Ready for the first lift. Hood bolts are free. Support the grille carefully. Headlight wiring disconnected. Store every part by section. Excellent. The front end is completely stripped.
Make sure that wiring harness is properly tagged.
Got it. This dashboard is next. Surface rust is coming off. Keep grinding to clean metal.
The floor pan is almost clean.
Check for hidden cracks.
Excellent. Prepare the damaged sections for fabrication.
Measurements are accurate. Template fits perfectly. Cut along the marked line. Test fit the new panel. Excellent. We're ready for welding. The body shell is completely stripped. Mark every rusted section. Frame measurements are recorded. The tail will be rebuilt. Alignment is perfect. Begin the tack welds. Excellent penetration. Cool that joint slowly. The chassis is becoming solid again.
These welds look excellent. Smooth this seam.
Tail reinforcement is complete. Frame alignment is perfect. We're ready for protective coating next. Laser readings are centered.
Frame is within factory tolerance.
Tail pivot alignment is perfect. Suspension mounts are accurate. Excellent, the chassis is fully restored. Engine shipment looks perfect. All suspension parts are here. Inspect every component carefully. Nothing is damaged. Let's organize everything before installation. Primer coverage is even. Seal every weld seam. Tail protection is complete. No exposed steel remains. Inventory is complete. Engine passed inspection. Brake components are ready. Tail bearings are perfect. Everything is prepared for assembly. Bearing preload is correct.
Brake assembly is complete.
Tail articulation is perfectly smooth. Electrical checks passed. Everything is ready for installation tomorrow.
Watch the clearance on the claw bumper. We're clear. Lower it slowly into the mounts.
Tail alignment is perfect.
Front fascia is centered. Panel gaps look even. Torque the mounting bolts.
Excellent, the body is coming together beautifully.
Door alignment is perfect.
Roof panel is secured.
Weather seal fits perfectly. Panel gaps are factory accurate.
Excellent, the body assembly is complete. Glass is perfectly seated. Headlights are connected. Wheel torque is complete. Tail movement is smooth. Excellent, the vehicle is ready for final finishing. Keep the spray pattern even. Overlap each pass. Primer coverage looks excellent. Tail is fully coated. Perfect, let it cure before sanding. Surface feels perfectly smooth.
Mask the windows carefully.
No dust remains. Panel reflections are straight. Excellent, the vehicle is ready for primer. Color coverage is perfect. Keep the metallic even.
Tail finish looks incredible.
Apply one more light coat. Excellent, ready for clear coat.
Reflection looks perfect. Maintain a wet edge.
Tail finish is flawless.
No dry spots visible. Excellent, the clear coat is complete.
Mirror finish achieved. No swirl marks visible. Tail polish is complete. Reflection is crystal clear. Excellent, prepare for the final inspection and engine test.
Ignition on. Engine started perfectly. Oil pressure is stable. No warning lights. Tail system is operating normally. Outstanding work. Everything is functioning perfectly.
Steering response is perfect. Brake pressure is normal. Tail movement is completely smooth. Diagnostics show 0 faults. Final inspection passed successfully. Final surface inspection looks perfect. No marks or dust remain. The finish is incredible. Everything is ready for the grand showcase.
All systems green on the Scorpion. Activating the tail sequence now.
The restoration journey is complete. From abandoned jungle vehicle to island masterpiece. Everyone's hard work paid off. This is our greatest restoration yet.
The final reveal is ready.
All systems are glowing perfectly. The vehicle looks extraordinary at night. This is the finished masterpiece. We finally completed the transformation. Every challenge was worth it. The vehicle looks incredible. Great teamwork from everyone. The restoration journey is complete. From abandoned jungle wreck to oceanfront masterpiece.